Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what you can do if you are banned from Tinder and how to try getting your account back using your iPhone. Let's get started. If you open Tinder and you see a message saying your account has been banned, it means Tinder removed your profile for a safety or policy reason. Tinder doesn't allow making new accounts to get around a ban, but you can ask them to review your case. On your iPhone, open Safari. In the search bar, type Tinder Help, then tap the official Tinder Help Center. This is where you can contact Tinder directly. In the Help Center, scroll until you see trouble with account login or banned account. Tap on Request an account review. This is Tinder's official way to ask them to check your ban. You will see a form you need to fill out. Enter the email and phone number that were linked to your Tinder account. Be sure they match what you used before. Then write a short message explaining you saw the ban, you would like a review, and that you believe your account follow Tinder rules. Keep it clean and polite. That helps. Tap submit when you are done. After submitting the form, Tinder will email you. Sometimes it takes a few days. They will tell you whether the ban can be reversed or if it will stay in a place. There is nothing else you can do except wait for their decision, and that's it. That's the only official way to try getting your Tinder account back after a ban. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.